Many Baltimore homeowners are discovering the difference modern energy-efficient windows can make in their homes. From lower energy bills to greater comfort and improved curb appeal, upgrading old windows has quickly become one of the most popular home improvement projects in the city. Whether you live in a row home, a historic property, or a modern single-family home, energy-efficient windows offer powerful, long-lasting benefits that make daily living noticeably better. Here are the top reasons why homeowners across Baltimore are choosing to invest in these smart, high-performance upgrades. Significant savings on heating and cooling costs. Baltimore experiences hot, humid summers and chilly winters, making consistent indoor temperatures challenging without proper insulation. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or worn frames, allow heat to escape in winter and enter during summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder and drives up monthly utility bills. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed to solve this issue with technologies like double-pane or triple-pane glass, low-E, low emissivity coatings, argon or krypton gas insulation between panes, insulated, tightly sealed frames. These features significantly reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Most homeowners notice immediate reductions in their monthly energy bills, making the upgrade both practical and cost-effective. Improved indoor comfort all year long. Comfort is one of the biggest reasons Baltimore homeowners make the switch to energy-efficient windows. Hot spots, cold drafts, uneven room temperatures, and moisture buildup are common issues with aging windows. Modern window systems are engineered to keep indoor temperatures stable, leading to fewer drafts, more consistent warmth in winter, better cooling in summer, reduced humidity and condensation. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or working from home, the air feels cleaner, fresher, and more comfortable throughout the day. Protection against Baltimore's seasonal weather. Baltimore's climate often includes heavy rain, high humidity, strong winds, and occasional freezing temperatures. Energy-efficient windows offer added durability and weather protection, ensuring your home stays safe and comfortable despite the changing seasons. These windows provide enhanced sealing to block wind and moisture, weather-resistant framing materials, protection from UV rays that can fade furniture and floors. Homeowners appreciate the peace of mind that comes from knowing their windows are built to withstand Baltimore's year-round conditions. A quieter home in busy neighborhoods. Noise is a real concern in many Baltimore areas, from traffic and construction downtown to active neighborhoods and school zones. Older windows do little to keep outdoor noise from entering your home. Energy-efficient windows, however, are incredibly effective at sound reduction. Their multi-pane design and insulated layers help block noise, making your home noticeably quieter. Benefits include better sleep, more peaceful work from home days, reduced street noise, a more relaxing living environment. Many homeowners report that upgrading their windows dramatically improves their overall quality of life. Increased home value and modern curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows doesn't just improve comfort inside, it also boosts the appearance and value of your home. Modern window designs offer cleaner lines, more durable materials, and improved functionality that appeal to potential buyers. Baltimore homeowners enjoy improved curb appeal, higher resale value, a more modern, updated look, long-term return on investment. With today's focus on sustainability and energy savings, homes with upgraded windows stand out in the market. A smart investment for Baltimore homeowners. For those looking to make impactful improvements to their home, modern energy-efficient windows are one of the smartest upgrades available. They offer a winning combination of lower energy costs, better comfort, noise reduction, and increased home value, all while protecting against Baltimore's unpredictable weather. If you're ready to enjoy a more comfortable, quieter, and energy-efficient home, upgrading your windows may be the perfect next step.